Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create design options in Revit. Okay, so design options are basically, maybe you have a proposal to show a client and you want to show him different approaches you used in solving a design issue. So you can just show it in Revit without the need to duplicate the Revit file or start copying Revit file and naming it option 2 entirely. So we're just going to jump into Revit straight and just create a new project using the standard architectural templates. Okay, okay, now our Revit is loaded. We are just going to be quick and just simply draw a simple wall, and we're going to set it level 0 to level 1. Just quickly draw the wall. We're going to place a door and we're going to place 2 windows. Sorry, architecture, just place windows there. Okay, so after we have placed this window, we're going to go to the 3D and we have basically created a panel space. Okay, so we're just going to go to roof and just roof it, roof by footprint, level 2, set it at level 1, sorry, and just give it an overhang of 600 millimeters. Okay, so we're just going to draw it. Just make sure the overhang is there. Okay, so we have basically modeled the space now. So to create design option, you go to manage. Okay, you will see this design options tab and just click on it. We're just trying to drag this to the center. Okay, so we're going to click this new option set. This option set is basically a set of options you have. Okay, so we're just going to, now we have clicked it, we're going to rename it. Let's rename it design options. Let's just rename it design, or let me caps lock design options. Okay, please, sorry about the background music, it's just where I live. Okay, so we're just going to create new options. We have option 1 primary, so we're just going to create new, option 2 and option 3. Okay, then we're going to click close. So now we have created 3 options, but those options are actually empty. For as you can see, if I go to this tab here to access the options, you will see design options, option 1 primary, option 2, option 3. Okay, so if you go to, for example, for instance, if you go to option 2, you see we can't select any of this model. So we're just going to go back to main model. So to be able to edit it, for example, I want to edit these walls and change these windows to maybe curtain walls as an option, and change this door to single swing door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this wall, then select this window, because if I select the window alone, it won't work. Sorry about the noise. If I select the window alone, it won't work because of this, the window is constrained to the wall. So we don't know, it's just, it won't work that way to show an error. So I'm just going to select the window and the wall. Okay, and select this door and select the wall, and then I'm going to go to this tab and say add to set. So I now have option of selecting the set I want to add it to. So for now I'm just going to add it to all of them. Okay, so if you go to option 1, you can edit this. If you notice, we didn't add the roof, so we can't select it and it's appearing grayish now. So but we can also select it if we check this active only, and we can also select visible components of the model in other options. So we can just check it back. So we're going to go to option 2 now. Okay, so we're now going to change this window. Let's say this option we're going to delete this window, this option we're going to delete this window, and in this option we're going to delete this window. So we're now going to go to level 0 and we're going to draw a quick curtain wall. So let's just go to walls and use storefront and set it to give it a top offset of -300. Okay, then we're going to draw our wall. Okay, so we're going to draw this and click on cutting one, click automatically embedded. Okay, so we're going to just draw it again. Remember, we're in option 2, so we're going to draw it here. We're now going to go to 3D view, and we're going to click on munions to just give it munions, munions, and munions. Okay, so as you can see, we are in this option 2. We have edited the curtain walls. So if we click on this tab now and go back to main model, it will still revert back to the original model. So we have 2 options. So let's go to option 3 now. Okay, so we're just going to change this window now to, let's go to level 0. We're going to shift this one and copy it. Okay, we're going to shift this one as well. Sorry, I just mistakenly went to edit family. I'm going to click this one and copy it. Okay, then I go to 3D view. This is another option we have created. I can even change this door to single swing door, and bam, this is another option. So if we go to main model, this is an option. If you go to the other model, option 1, this primary, this is an option. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, and remember, if you check this active only, you can still click on this component and edit it in other options. Edit components of other options in another option. I don't know if you understand what I just said, but if you are following, you get it. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is how to create design options using Revit. So if you want to revert back this thing and bring it back to only this single main model, you simply go to manage design options and accept primary, and they say deleting an option so causing its secondary stuff. So you click yes and close. So you have deleted the other options and it's back to the simple model we created. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell because it helps me and it also helps you too to get notified when we release new videos. So have a nice day and thank you.